Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wendy, and for the lovers of pork, today is your day. We are going to make honey glazed pork. And before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it with your friends. So to make our pork, we need pork, paprika, black pepper, some salt, ginger mixed with garlic, just ginger tu kiasi na garlic mob kiasi, and dark soy sauce, brown vinegar, honey, and rosemary. So let's get started guys. So tutaweka hapa pork yetu ndio tuimarinate. So you start by adding paprika, spice. Meka tu kiasi ya chenye wewe unapenda. Kiswahili si chetu. You add black pepper, unaweka ukitani, you're gonna add some salt, some rosemary, that's it. So tunaongeza our garlic and ginger. You can grate it ndio itoke fine. Next tuna add soy sauce. The spices unaweka tu kulingana na venye unapenda. So we add our brown vinegar. So guys, look at our pork. So after we marinate, you refrigerate it for 6 to 24 hours. Ndio spice ingiane vizuri na nyama. So we are going to put our meat in the fridge. So guys, our pork has been in the fridge for the past 6 hours, as you can see. What you need right now is a grilled pan and cooking oil. So tuna apply oil kwa pan. If you have olive oil, the better. Next thing, we are going to heat our oil. So una make sure oil imeheat kabisa ndio add pork ndani. Our pan is heated, hata oil ilikuwa ndani iko sawa. So you gently place your pork in the pan. oven, you can let it cook to medium on both sides. Then you place it in the oven and grill it. But if you don't have an oven, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just let it cook on one side till you feel it's ready. Then you turn it to cook on the other side. So let's wait for our meal to be ready. So guys, as you can see, it's already browning, so we are going to turn it so that it can cook on the other side. You should cook it with medium heat ndio iungue. So guys, our pork is ready. We are gonna put off the fire and apply some honey. So you let it heat for a minute or two, then on low heat, then our pork will be ready. Turn the other side so that it can also cook for a minute or two. Our pork is ready. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below what you think about this video. Like, give it a thumbs up, and thank you. Bye.